Welcome to the Adventures of Carlienne channel. I'm Carl, and thanks for tuning into our cooking series, where we share anything and everything that we love about cooking. In January, we're kicking off an egg challenge, so every day we're going to be cooking a different type of egg, so I hope you join in our little journey. Thanks.
Recording.
Egg drop soup. Actually, didn't even know it was called that. But my family makes it all the time, and we like ours with cream of corn. So let's give it a shot.